Hello guys, welcome back to my channel once again. Today I'm here with the new video. Today I'm going to tell you 5 easy breakfasts which help you for the weight loss as well. So let's just get started. So the first morning breakfast recipe is smoothie. So I have to take milk, strawberries, blueberries, raspberries and blackberries, one banana and yogurt. So now I'm going to take a blending jar, and I put everything according to your preference. If you need more one thing, you can put it according to you. And now you can mix it and you can mix it with the hand blender, and it is easily blended and it will come such a good taste, and it is healthy as well. You will now pour it and enjoy it. See how easy it was, and enjoy for your morning routine. Number second is the pancakes. You just need a pancake batter and maple syrup. I'm here taking 2 spoons of pancake batter and pour some water and just whisk it with the whisker, and you can see how what's the consistency of the paste is. And now turn on the pan. I'll spray some olive oil spray on the pan and just pour it, taking 1 teaspoon or tablespoon, and just make small pancakes. And you just see how easy to make it, and just flap it when the base is strong, and make sure it properly cooked. It is color should be the golden brown, and see, it is ready. And pour some maple syrup, and you can enjoy this with the blueberries, blackberry and strawberries. See how it's easy and complete breakfast. So the third recipe is avocado toast, and you here need onions, green pepper, tomato, avocado, 2 bread, salt and pepper. So firstly we will toast our bread, and now I will mix all the veggies and squeeze some lemon and pour some green pepper and salt. And now I mix all the veggies, and so that it made a thick paste, and it is really amazing. So our toast are ready, bread are ready, and we just take our batter and spread it on the bread. See how it's easy and yummy and healthy too for the morning. So the fourth recipe is semolina or suji pancakes. We need some suji, and firstly we'll take some suji and put some curd, almost 1 tablespoon curd in it, and I will whisk it. And after whisking I add some water so that it make a good paste, and see the texture, and I'll add some more water to make a good paste of it. See, I'm whisking it properly so that it makes a good paste of it. Now I will add some salt, and after salt I will make sure the properly whisk it, and after that I will add Eno, and see how fluffy the mixture is. It will be fluffy and soft. Now I will heat up the pan and spray some olive oil spray over it, and start putting the batter of suji or semolina in a circular shape. And after that I will put the veggies, some onions and green pepper and tomatoes, and whichever you like it, veggie you like it, just put it. And after that I will sprinkle some black pepper on it. After that I will just start toasting it from the both side. Once the both side is the golden brown, and the suji pancake is ready for eat. See how it easy, how it beautiful look, and it is yummy too. You should must try at home and tell me how tasty it is. For the next recipe we need onions, tomatoes, green pepper and some frozen vegetables and oats and some masalas. So we'll pour the oil. I'm here using canola oil, and spread some cumin seeds or jeera, and I will start boiling my frozen veggies. See, the jeera is sparkling now, and I will add my onions and green pepper, and I will make it little bit raw because I like it raw. If you like roasted, you just take it. Now add some turmeric powder, chili powder, salt, and dhania powder, and last is amchur powder. So I will add these spices and mix it well properly, and after mixing it, I will put my tomatoes. I will cut it chopped, and now I will mix it and wait till it becomes soft. And so it will look, see how it looks, and I will add my veggies in it and just again mix it properly so that masala will be coated well, and see how it looks. And I will add my 1 bowl of oats and properly mix it with the masala, and you will definitely love it. And I will add water in it. We usually make the oats with the water. It will not tasty, it will never be tasty. You should definitely try this idea. It is yummy, and you will enjoy the recipe as well. So these are my 5 morning breakfasts, and which is healthy as well. And if you like my video, please like it and comment down below what you want to see next, and do not forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel, and hit that notification bell. See you next time. Bye.